In this video, we're checking out the ELEGOO ABS-like Resin 3.0. And all the parts you'll see today are printed off on my Mars 5 Ultra. Packaging for this is very good. It comes in a cardboard box. Within that is a sealed plastic bag. Within that is the actual bottle of resin, so a reduced chance of making a huge mess if it breaks during shipping. And overall printing experience was very good. So I printed off a selection of different stuff to show you. My main positives of this resin is that it seems to be very, very sharp. It's really nice to work with. However, you do have to worry about temperature. I found this one to really not like it when it got cold. And I also felt like it scuffed up a little bit easier than other resins as well. And as for being ABS-like, I really think that it doesn't really have the plasticky feel I've got from other ABS-like resins. This one did feel like it was a resin in its final product. But for quality, sharpness, and ease of use, it was really good to work with. And of course, this one we're testing today is not water washable. Overall, I would say this is a very good quality product with excellent results on the 3D prints, with the details looking sensational. So yeah, I think there's nothing really negative to say about this product. I think ELEGOO's done quite a good job, and their 3.0 is coming out great. Maybe the only minor thing would be that it doesn't really feel that ABS-y, and it definitely feels like resin. But that's very much dependent on what you're looking to print off and how you want it to look in a final product. But this thing definitely prints off very well, looks great, and was quite easy to work with. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.